What is an article? An article is a noun marker, such as a, an, or the. The article the is used when the noun is being identified. For example, in the sentence, the doctor saw a patient every hour, we use the article the to show that we are talking about one specific doctor. By contrast, we use the article a to show that each patient seen at a given hour is different. Watch what happens when we change the articles. A doctor saw the patients every hour. In this sentence, rather than having one doctor seeing multiple patients, we have the same set of patients rotating between individual doctors. Note that in some instances in English, no article is used. This rule may differ from your own language's rule and thus can be difficult to change. For example, in Italian, we would say la vita è bella. In English, this sentence becomes life is beautiful. Instead of transforming the article la, which means the, we remove it altogether. This is because in English we do not use articles when the noun refers to something in general, such as a concept like life. Similarly, English does not use an article when referring to all of something, as in the sentence, pizza has high cholesterol. Again, in Italian, this would be la pizza ha colesterolo alto. You may be so used to using articles in these contexts that they continue to appear in your speech and writing, even though you understand and remember the rule. The best way to address these issues is through repeated practice. Need help studying? Subscribe to Colburn Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.